mistakes I made when I first started my YouTube channel. Okay, I am Marshie, and welcome to the channel. I give you tips, tricks, and hacks in your business and personal life. I'm the author of 13 Interactive Challenges to Self-Discovery and Grandparent Memories from the Heart. You can find those links below. I do speaking engagements. If you need a speaker, I'm happy to help out. Okay, let's dive in. Let's see what Marshie's done that she has 5 mistakes in YouTube that she wants to share. All right, here we go. Number 1. It was about 10 years ago and I didn't know anything about anything. I didn't know how to run my equipment. I didn't know how to use the webcam. I, Technology and I were just, you know, a thumbnail. What's a thumbnail? So all of that did not have. That was mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, I was trying to follow everybody else's ideas and I was getting overwhelmed, and I think it kind of jumbled my thinking, which leads me into number 3. And I'll have a bonus at the end. So number 3 is I made all of my content in one day. And I want to say it was like 100 videos I made all in one day. It was crazy. Okay. Number 4, I didn't know how to edit any of the videos. So if they were wrong, I redid them. Okay. Number 5, all those videos I posted on the same day, which was not smart. So those were hard lessons to learn. Now, number 6, this is your bonus, is that I finally got monetized and I was all excited. I got my first check. There were ads coming and I got my first check. And as you are aware, you have to wait so long before you get your first check. So I was happy. I got my first check. I was like, woohoo. And then after I got my first check, YouTube changed the rules. They said, no, you need these many customers and you need to do X, Y, Z. And I got mad. And I threw in the towel. I gave up. So 10 years later, here I am trying to revitalize my channel. And things have changed a lot in that 10 years. So number 6 is don't give up. YouTube has the right to make changes. If they make changes, you have to look at it. It's what's best for all content and creators. So I'm here for the long haul now, and I've made a commitment to you and the community. So if this brought you any enjoyment, if this helped you, brought you any value, please like and share, because I want one of those plaques in the back, right? I want 10,000 subscribers. So thank you for being one of those, and let me know, what mistakes have you made in business? Put it in the comments below. Thanks. Bye-bye.